Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. The ZR2 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado ZR2, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. We do have our four-wheel drive system, trailer mode, driving modes, automatic headlights, heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with the paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster as well, customizable with information. The vehicle does have push-button ignition, 13.4-inch touchscreen. We do have parking sensors, auto stop start, as well as we have the independent locking electronic differentials in the ZR2, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, integrated to the braking system, your shifter knob in the center console there as well. We have the all black gray interior ZR2 only interior with the red stitching, Bose audio again throughout, and our ZR2 only seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. The ZR2 does have the Multimatic DSSV suspension system. We have fender flares, blacked out door handles, blacked out mirror caps with the camera system, ZR2 badging, 6.2-liter on the hood. The ZR2 comes with the factory lift kit up front as well, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Again, the Multimatic DSSV Chevy Performance suspension up front. Going to the front, ZR2 branded grille with the lights in the grille, flow tie, straight through bow tie, red recovery hooks, skid plates, fog lights, LED daytime running lamps, and turn signals. Making our way to the back of the crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped as well. At the back of the Silverado, we have the blacked out rear bumper, trailer tow pack, dual exhaust tips underneath that rear bumper there as well. And we have our LED brake lights with a locking tailgate and backup camera. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well as they are heated. In-seat storage feature as well as sliding rear window with defrost. Extra headroom over top with the black headliner and a single pane sunroof. We do have our dome lighting, 3-stage heated seat controls, USB ports, as well as this is a crew cab truck, so tons and tons of room in the back of the cab. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Silverado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.